In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a customer payment in QuickBooks Online using the current desktop interface. Let's start on the QuickBooks Home dashboard. From here, open the Create Actions menu. This is your central spot for everyday tasks. Under the Customers section, choose Receive Payment. That opens a form designed to link customer payments to their outstanding invoices. At the top, select the customer who made the payment. As soon as you choose the customer, QuickBooks will display any open invoices for that customer below. If you plan to email a receipt, you can enter an address in the CC/BCC or email field. This is optional, but it's handy if customers want confirmation right away. Next, review the payment date. Make sure it matches the actual date you received the funds, not the day you're entering it. This keeps your aging and bank reconciliation accurate. In the Payment Method field, choose how the customer paid, such as cash, bank transfer, or check. If you received a check or an electronic transfer with an ID, you can optionally enter a reference number so you can trace it later. Now, set the deposit to account. Pick the bank account where the money went. If you plan to group multiple payments into a single bank deposit later, choose an undeposited funds holding account if that's part of your workflow. Otherwise, select the exact bank account that received the payment so it posts directly to the right register. Enter the amount received. If you're applying the payment to specific invoices, look at the Outstanding Transactions list. Make sure the correct invoice or invoices are selected. QuickBooks will apply the amount to the checked items, and you can adjust which invoices are included if it's a partial payment. Take a moment to confirm the total applied matches the amount you received and that the remaining balance on any invoice looks right. You can add a memo or note to capture details like the customer's confirmation number or context about the payment. If you have supporting documents, click Add Attachment to upload a file. This is optional, but it's great for audit trails and future reference. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close to record the payment. QuickBooks will link it to the selected invoices and update your customer's balance and your account totals accordingly. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.